It holds 10 songs. I put all our favorites on it.
Promise me you'll take me with you to the NFL, to a giant mansion with a giant pool that has a fat hot tub that's connected to the giant pool so I can swim from Mont to Cole whenever I want.
Yes. I love you, Stacy.
Just takes a second.
Did you see Charlie's TikTok about how the egg is pure gluten?
What's gluten? The egg is just frankenfood GMO set free from Monsanto lab. That's why I only eat organic.
Mr. Wallace, why aren't we talking about the ick?
Okay, Grace. Let's talk about the ick.
After decades in stasis, the intracellular kinoplasm known as ick has reached its kinetic state. Barricade your doors and your windows. Stop up your sinks and your drains. Again, do not go outside.
Our kids can still go to prom tomorrow, right?
Yeah, you should definitely cancel prom.
False flag! Crisis actor!
Grace, I need to tell you something. I might be your dad.
Shit!
Next joint is for all the lovers out there. This is the song your parents conceived you to. Maybe the rubber broke. Maybe there was no rubber.
Ick is harmless. Ick sees our value. We were chosen. For those it does not value, it consumes.
Run!
Arm yourselves, whatever you can carry.
Get ready for a fight!
Come on.
You could have just opened it. I mean, that was super dramatic and all, but
Now we have to crawl over broken glass.